Golden Duck app review: is this rewards app legit? If you've come across the Golden Duck app and are wondering whether it's a real rewards app or something to be cautious about, this review will help you decide before you download it or start using it. The Golden Duck app is presented as a mobile app that lets users earn rewards, such as points, vouchers, or cashback, by completing tasks, interacting with content, or engaging with offers. The idea is that you can earn perks simply by using the app and completing simple activities, which sounds appealing if you enjoy getting extras for everyday actions. Getting started with the app generally involves installing it on your device, creating an account, and then exploring the available tasks or reward opportunities. A clean, user-friendly interface can make that process smooth, but how the rewards are earned and redeemed is even more important. One of the biggest things to consider with rewards apps is how genuine the earning process is. Legitimate apps clearly explain how points are earned, what actions qualify, how long it takes for rewards to post, and how you can redeem them. Lack of clear details or confusing rules can be a red flag. Security and data privacy are other key factors. A trustworthy app should protect your personal information and not request unnecessary permissions that aren't linked to the app's reward functions. Vague privacy policies or unclear data practices can raise concerns about how your information is used. Another important factor is user feedback. Real user reviews that mention actual reward redemption experiences, ease of use, and whether rewards arrive as expected can help you judge legitimacy. Generic praise or a lack of verifiable feedback makes it harder to trust the app's claims. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, the Golden Duck app can be appealing because it offers the chance to earn rewards through everyday actions. A simple setup and the ability to use it on multiple devices make it convenient if the reward system works as advertised. On the downside, the cons highlight key concerns. Some tasks may take a long time to complete and still yield modest rewards. Criteria for earning may not always be clearly explained, and unclear privacy policies can raise questions about how your data is handled. Limited verified user feedback also makes it harder to confirm that the reward system actually delivers as expected. In summary, the Golden Duck app might be worth trying if you enjoy reward-style apps and are comfortable with tasks that take a bit of time in exchange for potential perks. However, unclear earning criteria, limited verified user experiences, and privacy considerations mean you should proceed with caution and pay attention to how your information is used before fully committing.